So now then let's talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So first let's talk about its specs. So it is having 6.7 inches of screen. After that it is having Super AMOLED display, and after that in the phone it is having Android 10 and One UI 2. After that it is having the processor which is made by Samsung itself. So it is having Exynos 9810 processor, which really give competition to the 800 Snapdragon 800 series processor. After that on the back of the phone it is having triple cameras on the back. The first one is of 12 megapixel, which is f1.7, and it's in wide angle camera, and the second one is again of 12 megapixel, it's f2.4 and it's in telephoto lens, and the third one is again of 12 megapixel, which is an ultra wide angle camera, ultra wide angle. So yeah, it's an f2.2 camera. And after that on the front side of the phone it is having 32 megapixel of camera, which is again really great thing if you want to take selfies and all that. It's a really great camera on the front and the back side of the phone, and it's having 4500 mAh of battery. It has a Type-C port, so you can fast charge your phone. The watts are unmentioned, so yeah, we don't know how many watt it will be taking from the socket, so we don't know that. So that's our unmentioned, that thing is unmentioned. After that in the phone will be given 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, the starting storage. So it will be available in two storages. The one is of 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. The other one is of 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Yes, the storages are same. And yeah, so after that what will be the price of this device? So it will be cost around 35,990 rupees, and yeah, it's the lowest price for Note lineup, and it's the light version of Note. So again, it's, yeah, you can see it's half the price of a Note in India. So yeah, if you want to buy this phone, you should buy this, because if you are into business and managing things and all that stuff, so this phone is really reliable for that. Its battery life and all the things are really great, but it's not a camera centric phone. So if you're looking for that, you need to go for S10 Lite. I have made another video on that, so you can find the link in the description and go to my channel and watch it otherwise. Okay, so if you are into that, you should buy Samsung S10 Lite. Otherwise you should go with this, because this is a really great phone for that, for a businessman or managing things, and you are into business, you are into job, or yeah, you get my point. So this device is for that purpose. So if you are into that purpose, or if you need a device for that purpose, you should buy this. So when is the launch date? The launch date is decided for 25th of Jan 2020. So it's around the corner. So soon they will be launching this device. And if you want to know when the sale is going out and when the device is coming out, you should follow me on my Instagram account. So I will be there updating you with all the things. So if you want to go and watch my stories on Instagram, you will be get notified, or yeah, everything. So follow me there. And yeah, so that's the device, and really great device if you are into that business type and stuff and you need the phone for that purpose. It is a really great device. And many devices are there in this lineup, and for that purpose many devices are there. So that's a really great competition, and this price is really low, and the brand name also means something. So yeah, if you are into Samsung brand, you should consider this device, and it's a really great device and it will solve your purpose. So yeah, that's my thought on this device. So yeah, I think it will be helpful for you, and if it did help you, then hit the like button. And yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. It's been Pranav and I'm signing out.